of your Choice Hobbies RC Retro Bracket 2. On the line we have Mike of Blue Thunder taking on Ben with Excalibur. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Good start here. These two trucks. I look competitive right here. Taking out the blue in the lead. Excalibur taking the win. Oh! Like those are some light caps. All right, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Next, drawing the snake bite and bending the scalp. Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? We'll watch the light. Oh, snake bite, definitely. And Excalibur taking the win. Alright, what's next? Let's go with the light and toy and all that. Drivers, watch the light. Oh, we got the light thing on fire. Now my truck is moving on the light is just messing up the light. It looks like now my truck is moving. This is your Troy's Hobbies Retro Bracket 2 finals. Troy and the Mile High Crusher and Excalibur. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Pretty even. Oh! You dig yourself in. You better take the win. Good run, good racing, bro. Yes. All right, we're going to go. All right, this is the start of your Hobbytown Tuff Trucks Bracket 2. Race number 1, we have Ryan, the Fox Capra, taking on Mike in the trench foot. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Nice start with these two. Leading so far. Oh, Mike Rosen. And the Capra. It's the hit. Moving on through. Cameras ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Next, going to take the win from the night rider. Start, no win. Cameras are ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Touch the pretty even. Oh, let's go. Go take the win. All right, this is your second semifinal. Winner faces Little Red Truck in the finals. Cameras ready? Drivers ready. Watch the light. All right, fix for here. And we must have a little lead. Got it over. There's that great shot. Good job, over. Another militia. You take the good end. Alright, this is your Hobbytown Tuff Trucks Bracket 2 Finals. Troy with Little Red Truck and Ben Another Militia. Drivers, are you ready? We'll watch the light. Oh, roll it. Oh. That's taken. Keep it away.